In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to reset network adapters in Windows 11. If you're going through any kind of an issue with the Wi-Fi is not working or it's going through any kind of an issue, or if you want to just do a network reset is only the one solution, and this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is we have to go over here in the start. We have to right click and from here navigate to the settings here. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to go to the network and internet. And from here, what you need to do is navigate to advanced network settings. Now from here, we have to go to the network reset. And from here, there is an option called network reset and we have to click on reset now. So what happens is if you click on this, it can ask you yes, go for yes, and it is going to reset the network. But you have to give the password once again if you wanted to connect it back, then you have to check with it. Sometimes, this can help you guys out when it comes to any kind of an issue with the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet, and this is what we have to do. But apart from this, if that is not working, then what you need to do is we have to go over here in the start, right click, and from here navigate to the device manager here. And right now from here, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click over here, we'll be having this option, and from here go to the network adapters, and from here you have to find the wireless Wi-Fi adapter, that is this one in my case, and we have to right click, and there is an option called disable the device, and just do it. You don't have to worry. Once you disable it, you have to right click back. Just after a couple of seconds, you have to right click, then go for enable it back. So this is going to, the disabling and enabling, it's going to just going to work like a fresh restart for the Wi-Fi router. And obviously that's going to help you guys out. And this is what we have to do. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.